Hey everybody, it's Lady Led here. It's garlic planting day. Actually, it's garden planting in a few minutes. I'm gonna show you how quick it is to plant some garlic. I actually got this from the grocery store, so I didn't order it from a garden catalog or anywhere, or I didn't get this out of the nursery. This is some kitchen garlic that I would eat, and some of it I have eaten. I actually have lots of these, but I'm only gonna plant maybe this one and this one, or maybe just this one, because it's decided it wanted to grow. So, since it decided it wanted to grow, I'm gonna go ahead and plant it. Now, in some zones, it might be a little late for planting garlic, and I would say it might be if you want to get a whole garlic, but I'm not really concerned about getting a whole garlic. I want the green to grow because that's just as good. It's just like eating the green onions, just cutting the tops off. So that's what I'm going to use this for. If it produces some garlic for me, great. You know, if it gets bigger, wonderful, wonderful. But I just really want the flavor that this is going to produce. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I have pre-watered this. I like pre-watering stuff because it doesn't disturb things as bad. I'm putting a little bit more. It is very warm. It's very warm today. But I'm actually enjoying this heat. I like heat better than cold any day. I'm gonna separate these. Oh, I don't want to hurt my green. But y'all see this one. Let's put it up close. Ooh, it's stubborn. So that's what I'm gonna plant. Facing up, of course. This part goes down. It doesn't have any roots now, but it will make some. And so that's it. So I'm gonna just start shoving these in little holes. Okay, so I don't want to plant it any deeper than that because I don't want it to have to fight too hard to get out. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. So I don't want it to be too deep so it doesn't have to fight to get out. I want it to be just enough so when I cover it with dirt, I still see my little tip. Now the ones that don't have it, then I literally just want to, like this one for example, I'm gonna take this one. Just enough, because I don't want it fighting with the dirt. I just want it to be able to emerge and give me some green. Okay. And that's that. It's Lady Led planting garlic, and this is some giant garlic, by the way, y'all. Like I said, I got it from the grocery store. So you can do the same thing and have you something that you can cook with right on your patio. This is a week and 2 days later. As you can see, most of it has come up to a decent size. Some of it I need to cover up a little bit better. So I'll put some more dirt on that. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm gonna be eating some delicious, flavorful garlic shallots, or I don't know what you would call them, green garlics, not green onion. I'll be eating some nice garlic tops, and you know, I'll be putting it in several dishes. It's really good. Tastes just like garlic. I gotta get some of these little weeds out of here. But that's it. That's the growth from about a little bit over a week. That's what we're looking like. So it's Lady Led. Get yourself something growing nice.